Right now, thousands of drivers are quitting DoorDash and Uber for one reason: money. Some claim medical couriers are making twice as much with less stress. But is that really true? Today on Wealth Pulse TV, we're breaking down the real numbers: medical courier versus DoorDash, so you know which one actually puts more money in your pocket in 2026. Section 1: What DoorDash really pays. Let's start with DoorDash. Average earnings: $10 to $18 per hour before expenses. But here's the reality most drivers experience waiting for orders: slow days, high gas costs, vehicle wear and tear, no guaranteed income. After expenses, many drivers report taking home $8 to $12 per hour, and during non-peak hours, it can be even lower. The biggest problem: your income depends on tips and demand, both of which you can't control. Retention line. And this is where medical courier worker starts to look very different. Section 2: What medical couriers earn. Medical couriers typically earn $18 to $30 per hour, $800 to $1,500 per week. Full-time drivers with dedicated routes can earn $1,800 to $2,500 per week. Why the higher pay? Because you're delivering critical medical items like lab specimens, medications, medical supplies. Hospitals and labs pay more because these deliveries are essential, not optional like food delivery. Section 3: Stability comparison. Here's the biggest difference between the two. DoorDash: work when orders are available, income changes daily. Medical courier: scheduled routes, predictable income, less downtime, fewer cancellations. Instead of chasing orders, many medical couriers run the same route every day, and stability is one of the biggest reasons drivers are making the switch. Section 4: Startup requirements. DoorDash is easy to start. Driver's license, insurance, background check. Medical courier requirements: reliable vehicle, clean driving record, background check, HIPAA certification. Sometimes commercial insurance. Startup costs: DoorDash, AMO 0 LS, medical courier, about $100 to $500. So yes, it takes a little more effort, but the income potential is also higher. Section 5: Workload and lifestyle. DoorDash: constant app checking, busy restaurants, customer issues, heavy traffic during peak hours. Medical courier: fewer stops, no customer interaction, less pressure for tips or ratings, quiet, independent work. For many drivers, it's less stressful and more professional. Section 6: The real winner. So which one makes more money? If you're doing DoorDash part-time during peak hours, it can still be good for quick cash. But for full-time income and stability, medical courier work wins: higher hourly pay, consistent routes, better long-term earning potential, and some drivers even grow into a full delivery business by adding more vehicles. If you're serious about increasing your income and finding better opportunities than traditional gig apps, you're in the right place. On Wealth Pulse TV, we share real ways to make money, build income streams, and move toward financial freedom. Subscribe now so you don't miss our next video. Step by step, how to start a medical courier business in 7 days, and comment below. Would you choose DoorDash or medical courier? Your wealth journey starts with the right decisions.